Bring them on, ladies and gentlemen.
What's up, my people, and welcome to the SN95 Power Channel. So today we got a little how-to going on. I'm going to show you how to clean your injectors for about 20 bucks. If you're new to the channel, I've been having problems with these headers. Not just headers, this whole bank is running lean. When I data log, I'm seeing, I think this is Hugo 2, the Hugo is not switching, the voltage is real low. The other bank is seeing like, you know, regular 0.4 something. This is saying like at times 0.1, 0.08, and it's not switching. On top of that, if I have it out for a while, driving it, this header would start glowing. So I have a video where I dropped the header off, had it milled. I even took it back to them. They found some cracks in the header. They fixed that. I was under the impression it was either a couple of things. Either the timing was retarded, which I did find some slack in the timing chain, put a new timing chain on, new cylinder heads, header's been shaved. So I thought it was either timing or the header was cracked. So far, should have eliminated the timing issue. Like I said, brand new timing chain, bypass MSD. I tried 2 sets of wires. I tried 2 different dizzies, different coil pack, a couple of different ignition control modules. So honestly, I don't think it's the timing. So I want to eliminate something with the fuel. So I took injectors out on the side that's running lean. I don't think it's a pump issue because my wideband is the fueling is good on the wideband, and plus the other side is reading good. That Hugo is switching and reading normal like it should. It's just this bank over here. So either the header is still damaged and it's got a bad leak, or something's going on with these injectors. So I'm going to show you how to clean these. All right, so let me show you my little test setup. There's Kim over there looking at her her baby, scratching up my baby.
Right, that was super rude.
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah, no, I have to do my walk around because I haven't been out here all day.
So she's inspecting her car because she hasn't seen it all day. All right, so let's show you guys how to do this. So this is a little kit that I got off of Amazon. It's just some alligator clips and a connector that fits into the injector. Now that, you know, if you do or you don't know, your ECO pulses this injector. It's not just a steady stream. So you could turn it on and let it stay on for a second. I'm gonna just try to pulse it and try to clean it. So this has a hole in it, and I'll send you the link to this, and I'm gonna hold it like this, try to put a little pressure on here because this has a hole in it right here. This gum out goes in here. I'm gonna put a little pressure on it just so I can hear it. And what you should do is relieve the pressure and take this off. So let's try that again. Stick this in here. And honestly, I was hoping this injector was clogged, and that's might have been an issue I was having with the car running, with the header running hot, but that's not it. So a little pressure, get it going, and let go. So that's the technique we're gonna use. This is just gum out, nothing special. Move to the next one. Put this in here. Actually, I believe I found this for like $12 or something on Amazon. So I'm gonna get my grip. I'm tilting this a little bit too. and let go. Just a little pressure. And that's it. On to the next one. I think it's a cool little tool to have. Like I said, I don't think this is my problem with my injectors being clogged. I was really hoping so, but it looks like that's not the case. So just get my little grip again, and I'm pressing up against my body with this. So I just start hearing a squeeze. And let go. Try it. Let's go to the, and I'm only going to do that one bank because I don't have a problem with the other bank. The other bank is fine. So get the grip. As soon as I hear it like fizzle a little, and that's that. You know, these are semi-Dakota, 80 pounds. Another thing you have to look out for with these injectors too, there's a whole bunch of knockoffs online with these injectors. The only place that my tuner suggests to buy these from that with 100% confidence you can get authentic semi-Dakotas is Power Source Solutions. Now you know, you can go on eBay and find some 80-pound injectors, 8 of them for $75. You know, that should be a dead giveaway. But I don't remember how much I paid for these. And they're real easy to tune, according to my tuner. The problem that you have when you get the knockoff ones, like when the tuner goes to tune this, you know, getting the slope and the offsets correct is difficult. We're gonna get these installed. If this doesn't work, then I have to take the header off, which I don't know about finding somebody to making me a new header, or maybe I can go and buy like a shorty, you know, Flowtech or something like that, and have somebody to turn into a turbo header. I don't know. I hope I don't have to go down that route, but we're gonna throw these on. And we're going to pray that my fueling on that Hugo 2 acts normal. All I'm going to do is install these injectors, and since I have this off, I might as well retorque these. All these want to see is, I think, 18 foot-pounds. You will get like a heat cycle on this, so you should come back through and retighten these. Which is definitely a good idea for this, because they are loose. Looks like I'm gonna have to take this other side off because I can't get any lines through there. So now it's just becoming a wee bit bigger than I wanted it to, as far as the job is concerned. But you know, it happens like that. What can you do? Might as well get it right.
Get down. Get down. Get down.
All right, so I got everything buttoned back up. Test it for a few leaks by just pressurizing it. No leaks. Yeah, no leaks. So before I try to start it, I need to take this valve cover off. I've got a lot of smoke coming from that side, and I'm thinking maybe my valve cover gasket is messed up. So I'll do that tomorrow. Kim and I are going to go cruising in Kendra. Enjoy the rest of this evening. So leave a comment, tell a couple of friends about the channel. I appreciate your time and God bless.